Hello everyone, so finally we are back with another video, and I know it's been more than 2 weeks. I have not uploaded any single video of mine, so I know it has been a long journey for all of you, but I'm really sorry for that because I was sifting few weeks ago. Now I'm all done. So how to introduce ourselves, informal as well as informal, for beginners, not for the pro learners. Okay, so this video is for you. We will know that how to introduce formally as well as informally. This video will be short as compared to that video because बहुत दिन से because we यूजुअली आज मैं पढ़ाने वाली थी कोरियन लैंग्वेज के बारे में ही, किस तरीके से आगे कंटिन्यू करना है, बट मैंने सोचा कि बहुत दिन हो चुकी है और इंटरेस्ट कम हो जाती है पढ़ते पढ़ते, तो मैंने सोचा कि आज हम लोग वो करेंगे जो कि हम लोगों ने कभी सोचा नहीं था. सो वी विल बी key phrases, or I would say how to introduce yourself in Korean language easily. Okay, it's very easy. So before starting this video, I just want to take a moment to thank everyone, like every single of you, really so much, because we have completed our 1 year officially on Shreya Place, and I hope this channel will also grow really fast, more than my imaginations also. So please keep showing your love and support towards this channel also. So thank you for everyone. I'm really so happy and so grateful to all of you guys. Keep supporting and keep watching me like this, that you always do. Thank you. So let's get started. हाँ, और फेस्ट के रिगार्डिंग, इफ एनीवन इज लिविंग इन पटना, आई वुड लाइक देम टू कम एट कोरियन लैंग्वेज फेस्ट, ऑफ कोर्स एट ऑन 21 जुलाई एट वट एवर द टाइम यू कैन कम. बट मेरी बात में मैं लेट हो जाऊँगी, तो आप लोग 5-6 बजे के अराउंड आ जाओ, ठीक है. वहाँ पे डांस परफॉर्मेंसेज होगी, आपको बहुत सारे कोरियन फैन डांस देखना होगा. बहुत सारे लोग परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, मैं भी करूँगी, तो काफ़ी मज़ा आने वाला है. एंड काफ़ी एक्साइटेड मैं भी हूँ, आप लोग भी रहो प्लीज़. और अगर हो सके, इफ़ यू कैन कम, प्लीज़ कम. इट्स अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सी कोरियन पीपल. ओके, ending. So our ending form will be adding to that. So ending form in Korean language is yeyo, ieo. Okay, yeyo, I will be showing you here, don't worry about that. I'm using verbal communication because if you listen and if you speak the same, if you speak the same thing in your frequency, it will be easier for you to memorize. Just trust my words. Okay, after this, so we have final words like ending statements in Korean language. This is how I learn because I teach myself like it's ending statements, so you have to gotta learn like this. So I will be using English language so that you can understand, so don't worry about that. So ieo or yeyo, right? 맞아요. ieo 그리고 yeyo. So whenever someone's name ends with pachim, and pachim, the examples that I'm going to list here. So अगर आप देखते हो, so whenever you try to observe that someone's name is having pachim in Korean, so you will be using ieo, like check means book in Korean language. So we will say check이에요. Okay, and suppose pen이에요. Okay, and then if something is 물, it means water, so 물이에요. So it's easy, and for that with no pachim, no final consonant, no final word. So how will be using that final consonant keyword name? Just like your name is Rose, your name is Chenny. Okay, so your name is Mona, your name is Rose, your name is these words. These name doesn't have final consonant, so we will use yeyo. So Rose yeyo, Mona yeyo, परिएयो. Okay, it's very easy. यहाँ तक तो हो गया. And now let's come to the main part. So if I have to introduce in Korean, I would say 저는 is very polite form. You can say 나는, but no, it's not. It's a very polite plus formal in Korean language. So I have to say 저는, my name, 저. So if you have to say my name is Shreya Parmar, so that is different. If I have to say my name is Che, name Iraman. In Korean, Iraman is mean your name. So Che Iraman, Shreya has no pachim, so what we will say? Yeo. Che Iraman Shreya Yeo. ये तो हो गया माई नेम इज श्रेया परमार. अगर आपका नेम है Priya. I always use this word, na? Priya. No, so different. Ria. So your name is Ria. You want to say that my name is Ria. You say Che Raman. Ria has no pachim. Ria yeo. Okay? बोलते बोलते समझ गया ना? No pen, no books. Easy. That's why I'm taking this lesson. I'm giving this lesson. Okay. And then if someone has that pachim name, so introduce करना. My name वाला छोड़ो. I am Shreya Parmar. अब ऐसे introduce करना है. Chonan. ठीक है? Chonan is very polite. You can say Jonan. ठीक है? Chonan. Shreya Parmar. फॉर्मल बोलना है, बहुत पोलाइट, सो वी विल से फॉर्मल बोलना है, बहुत पोलाइट, सो झोनन श्रेया परमार इमिदा. बहुत लोग इमिदा भी बोलते हैं, सो इट्स अपॉन योर, इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन योर प्रोनाउंसिएशन. सो झोनन श्रेया परमार इमिदा. ओके, योर नेम इज इफ योर नेम इज वरिशा. ओके, झोनन Warisha Imida. Okay, it's really easy and very not informal plus polite. What do you say? Chonan. Warisha has no pachim. Warisha yeo. It's not formal plus polite. So that is thing. You can practice your name by using this kind of method. तो आप लोग क्या करना, होमवर्क में आप लोग ढेर सारा नेम लेना, पोलाइट प्लस फॉर्मल जो बताया है, और इनपोलाइट जो बिल्कुल पोलाइट नहीं है, और इनफॉर्मल. फॉर्मल प्लस इनफॉर्मल, इमिदा और ये लगा करके और ये लगा करके आप लोग बनाना क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है? यू विल बी वेरी सून फेमिलियर विथ हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ. सो इफ यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ, हाउ डू से अन्यासेओ. फर्स्ट थिंग लाइक यू हैव टू बो योर. ठीक है? तो आई थिंक ये क्लियर होगा. सो this is for today's. So don't forget to do your homework and tag me in the comment section or maybe your community post. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for loving me. Don't forget to come and fest if you can, and don't forget to stay healthy, be happy, stay alive, take care of yourself and everyone around you. Bye bye. Be positive.